Welcome to A Creative Introduction to Multiplication and Division. The rationale for this course redesign comes from when I was a grade 6 math teacher. A large percentage of students started the year with a serious deficit in math fundamentals. I could not teach them strategies for estimating products, which is grade 6 level work, when they could barely multiply. This remedial math course redesign is to help similar students bridge the multiplication and division knowledge gap. In order for students to take risks with their learning, it is essential to establish a safe classroom environment. I have found that students, especially at-risk students, respond well to the Circle of Courage values. Belonging. This looks like being a respectful, contributing classroom member at school and following netiquette expectations during asynchronous online sharing. Daily circles where each student speaks and is heard by everyone else help establish a climate of trust and risk-taking. Mastery looks like setting, working towards, and achieving learning goals. Independence. Students demonstrate personal responsibility by making appropriate choices of learning activities, work partners, and by prototyping potential solutions while problem solving. Generosity is shown when all class members contribute positively, by helping others learn new skills and by being supportive and compassionate towards others, regardless of the individual's ability level. In this remedial blended learning math redesign, I will encourage creative thinking and problem solving using Robert Kelly's Learning Experiences design template for creative development. Since we were assigned 4 slides to cover our course redesign, I shall only refer to Alberta Education's grades 3, 4, and 5 specific learning outcomes for multiplication and division, all of which focus on whole numbers. This course redesign should also include addition and subtraction, but for brevity, it is limited to multiplication and division. Robert Kelly's creative development design differentiates learning activities. Type 1 activities are short lessons focused on skill acquisition, like practicing equations, watching videos on the Khan Academy, and using manipulatives. Type 2 activities involve experimenting with new skills, like playing math games, doing mental math, online math journaling, group problem solving, and online quizzes. Type 3 activities are longer in duration, where students represent their knowledge by creating original work. For example, making a video, a podcast, board game, or designing real-life math problems for friends to solve. For self-assessment, students will answer either I can or I try to statements like I monitor my behavior, I think through and develop new ideas, I contribute and listen to ideas about my work and the work of others. As well as the assessments listed on the slide, students will document their understanding in online math journals by choosing from a wide range of tools like drawing pictures, using manipulatives, photography, screenshots, podcasts, typing, or dragon speak. All of these strategies, plus this remedial math redesign with asynchronous opportunities for learning and sharing, will help give voice to hesitant students who can remain silent in traditional classroom settings. Please read my paper, A Creative Introduction to Multiplication and Division, if you are interested in a more complete look at encouraging creative development.